Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one of the topic that is the earthquake basically. It's connected with the city creation. One of the person told that basically the few basically groups basically that are the bank managements, they basically know basically the earth planet is going to move this side. That is one side basically. And power supply basically is going to connect to the this city basically, and whenever it's going to connect to this city basically this basically magnitude basically earthquake is going to come. So he told that yes, basically this many earthquake is going to come. That is reason is the power supply data basically which is getting passed basically, which is basically passed. So this connects here basically. This connects here basically. That is this basically. So this satellite groups also basically earthquakes data. Oxford data equal to earthquakes data, and this comes to like this also. No earthquakes data. So this is the most dangerous line basically. This two line basically. This connects to like this also basically. One of the person told that basically what you are written here basically from earthquake basically the death data are coming basically coming. Are you sure basically? Are you sure basically? Then he told that yes basically. That's why basically the France group are running lots of money basically. Reason they have the death data, and that death data is basically given by this group basically. So who the rich people basically how they save their life basically. For example, one person told that basically the Mumbai city basically earthquake is going to happen basically. Earthquake happened basically, assume basically. Assume basically the earthquake basically happened of 9.2 magnitude basically. Just assume basically really basically never Mumbai is going to happen 9.2 data, 9.2 magnitude. So assume basically 9.2 magnitude basically earthquake came in Mumbai city. Then basically here basically I have written Mumbai city. So Oxford University basically have the data of Mumbai earthquake, that is earthquake Mumbai 9.2. In 9.2 magnitude basically they basically passed death data also of the human basically, of the set of groups basically. Assume that set of in basic I am not talking about the earthquakes dead people basically. The people who are going to die in earthquake basically, that are different thing basically. Here basically I am talking about some different death data basically. For assume that basically some magnitude for assume basically small magnitude basically came, small magnitude of 2.3 basically. In that basically what happens, they basically pass the death data basically. Assume that earthquake basically is done by the France group, set of incidents basically are generated, that basically we have already discussed. In that basically University of Oxford basically given the data of the earthquake, and that basically is connecting to the set of people's death data basically. So whenever the earthquake is going to come, that is the 2.5 basically. Assume that basically 2 times 2.5 basically today with the 2.5 the earthquake basically came. So according to the current system basically, whenever the earthquake is going to come, that data has came, the incidence has came, the report is generated, and that basically data is sent to the power company. The power company is basically what going to do. Before the power company basically flash the data to city basically, the rich people basically, that takes time basically, that takes basically 1 or 2 weeks basically to collect the data basically, and the to decode the data basically, for which people basically they have marked the dead data. So it will take time basically. So like this basically they have 2 weeks basically. So rich people what they do, they basically collects the data from the power company and they basically say basically that is our data is there basically in this earthquake basically. That means our data means death data basically. Then he told that yes basically है तो सरी तुम्हारा भी data. Then he told that what is the solution? That for we are to ask to the France basically. So immediately they calls the France basically. See basically how basically the France group are earning the money basically. They immediately calls the France group and they basically France group say that basically this was the problem basically which is going to connect you basically. This is the energy basically. So you have to do one thing basically whenever the power supply is going to pass basically, just within after few minute or basically within a few seconds basically, just take this medicine basically, then the death data will automatically will die basically. Then he told that okay basically. So they immediately solve the problem. They mostly they might have given some 100 crore dollar basically to that get that medicine only basically. So that basically rich people basically. They are basically rich people, that's why they got the medicine basically. Normal people can get this medicine. No, that is not possible. Why? Because they are rich people. They given the 100 crore dollar, that comes to around 10 to 20,000 crore to save their life basically. That was death data basically, which was sent by the France group basically. So just see how the things basically are getting controlled. So like this, France earned how much money from one earthquake? 2.3, that is 20 to 30,000 crore Indian rupees, just from 2.3 magnitude of earthquake. So like same way basically the save data are basically passed. Save data are passed, and in this basically the no earthquake basically generates. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are connected here basically. Up to what level things basically are connected. So one of the person told that yeah, I thought basically earthquake is basically just damaging the objects, this, that, basically home and basically certain roads, buildings. But this data, this thing basically I just now basically I heard here basically that that data basically are also basically passed. This basically I don't know basically. This basically I just basically connected this basically. So one of the person told that basically yes here basically like this also basically the earthquakes are connected basically. Like this also basically the earthquakes are connected. So one of the person told that yes here basically it's very dangerous thing basically. It's very dangerous thing basically. So this was just small example basically. So like this basically the rich people basically save their life basically. But poor people can do this. No, basically they will how basically they will say that for example earthquake came, and in earthquake basically their name is also there. Their name is also there. What they are going to do? But they know also this, that how basically up to what level the poor people might be knowing. The normal people basically who are basically small software company owner, or basically the small project managers, or basically the software deliveryers, also software developers, quality heads, quality team people basically how basically they are going to know, or basically the hard working person, or basically the doctors also basically like this basically the normal people basically how basically they are going to know this data basically. That is not possible basically. So the power company is going to pass the data, and then basically that person is going to die basically. That is by default basically. That happens basically like this. So earthquake data basically are very dangerous data that kills many people basically. Many people basically. Many people basically. So like this basically if any of the, for example any of the city basically gets earthquake basically, so immediately contact to the Russian France group basically. France group that basically the earthquake has came basically. So can you please give the data basically? Then he told that yes basically we can give you the data. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.